Hi folks, I'm Tim Ball, a realtor right here in hot Atlanta, and I'm here to answer questions about real estate and how you should handle selling your home. Here's a great question from a family in Raleigh, North Carolina that's listening to us on YouTube. We're getting ready to sell our house, a traditional 70s style brick house. I've always thought it would look better painted white. Do you think it would sell faster if we painted it? Well, folks, it's a good question, first of all. There's not a right or wrong answer to this question. Aesthetically, you're right. May look good, more modern white. But brick is not meant to be painted. Brick has two porous sides, and the purpose of that is to let water or moisture pass through the brick. If you paint your brick, moisture can get trapped in the house and lead to insect or rot problems. What I recommend is that you get with your agent and have them have an artist take a picture of the front of the house and Photoshop it white so potential buyers can see it the way it would look from the curb if it's white. That would save you a lot of money, and what you don't know is whether that next buyer would really want it white or want to keep traditional brick. Good luck, folks. It's a great time to be selling a house. If you have any other questions for me, just send me an email. A couple of them make it on the air, but I respond to all of them.